Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn about diphthongs. Children, in previous class, you learnt about vowel digraphs, in which you learnt that when two vowels stick together, they usually make long sound. Long sound is clear single sound like A in rain, train and chain. Long E in P, T and leaf. But children, sometime when two vowels come side to side, they make completely different sound. And the rule which I told you that when two vowels come together in a word, first vowel says its long sound doesn't work. Listen the word carefully. Coin, soil, oil. In these words, two vowels are not making one long sound. Now you may get confused which type of different sound vowels will make when they will come in pair. Children, sometime vowel pairs make sound of both the vowels by gliding action of mouth, in which tongue changes position to produce the sound of both the vowels. So, when you hear sound of both the vowels, then such kind of vowel pairs are called diphthongs. So, digraph means when vowel pairs have clear one sound. And most of the time, vowel digraphs make long sound. And diphthong means when vowel pairs make sound of both the vowels in a same syllable by changing position of tongue. Now you got it. Double vowel sound is called diphthongs, in which mouth moves between two sounds. In diphthongs, first sound is stronger than the second one. Two most common diphthongs in English language are letter combination of OI and OY and OU and OW. Let's learn sound and some words with these diphthongs. Children, OW and OU both sound as ow. When you get hurt, you say ow. Say the word loud and see how mouth changes position between these two vowel sounds. Ow. OW and OU says ow. Let's see some words with OW ow sound. OW ow as in cluck, ow, clown. OW ow as in bruh, ow, brown. OW ow as in d, ow, down. Children, you already know that OW makes long sound O also. So OW has two sounds, ow and O. You hear O sound in elbow, crow and snow. One more diphthong makes sound ow. OU says ow. Now check how mouth moves between two sounds. Ow. Some words with OU ow sound. OU ow as in h, ow, house. OU ow as in ow, mouth. OU ow as in ow, mouse. Children, OU is very similar to OW. It shares the first two sounds of OW, that is ow and O. But it also have two more sounds. Can you believe it? It has four sounds. Ow, O, U, We will learn these sounds later on. Next double vowel sound created by diphthong OI and OY. OI and OY both make sound OI. Children, when OI sound comes in the middle of a word, we use OI, OI. And if OI sound comes at the end of the word, then we will use OY, OI. We hear two sounds in this combination, O and E, OI. Some words with OI, OI sound. OI, OI. K, OI, coin. OI, OI. S, OI, soil. OI, OI. Oil, oil. Now some words with OY, OI sound. OY, OI sound comes at the end of the word. OY, OI. B, OI, boy. OY, OI. T, OI, toy. OY, OI. J, OI, joy. So, did you notice OI, OI sound comes in the beginning or in the middle of the word, and OY, OI sound comes at the end of the word. Now, once again, let's revise these diphthong sounds. OI and OY both sound as OI. OU and OW both sound as OW. I think now this topic is clear to you. Diphthongs are vowel pairs in which tongue changes position to produce the sound of both the vowels. Now, try to learn some more words with these diphthong sounds. Bye bye.